These are the SEAFLO Vented Loops. They come in 3/4, 1 inch, and 1.5 inch sizes. They have a vent at the top of the loop to prevent siphoning from occurring, which would prevent water from backflowing into your boat. The vent works in one direction so that air goes into the line, but water cannot come out. All SEAFLO vented loops are constructed from a very strong glass fiber reinforced nylon material. To demonstrate the action of the vented loop, I am running the SEAFLO self-priming bilge through the vented loop. Now the pump is running, the vent is closed. If I turn off the pump, the vent opens and the water runs out of the hose. This prevents that back siphoning from occurring. Running the pump again, the vent is closed. Turn off the pump and the vent opens.